guys, and welcome back to my channel Neelam's Good Times. In my today's video, I shall be highlighting 10 such sentences which are wrongly spoken by the English learners. So take your pen and pencil and start making note of those sentences which you have been saying incorrectly for so long, and ensure once you correct these words, these sentences, you are not going to repeat them next time. So good luck to you. Let's get started. The first sentence is, what is the different? I'll give you an example. Let's say if you have gone to a mobile shop and you want to buy a phone cover, and you are confused between white and black cover, and your sister tells you that instead of black, which you have preferred, you are going for the white color. So she says, Bhaiya, go for the black color. And then you end up saying, what's the different? It is not what's the different, it's what's the difference. आप शायद कहना चाहेंगे कि what's the difference अगर मैंने white ले लिया या black ले लिया, but it should be spoken correctly. What's the difference? Different gets replaced by the word different. The next sentence is, I haven't seen Harish from Friday. किसी ने आपसे पूछ लिया कि when did you see Harish last? Or when did you meet him last? And you end up saying, I didn't see him from Friday. It is incorrect. You might think what is wrong from Friday. The word from gets replaced and it is, I haven't seen Harish since Saturday. That's the correct sentence. The errored sentence which is usually spoken is, let's say, my friend Lalita got married with a doctor. So you might think what's wrong in that? There is a mistake. It is not with a doctor. When we say in Hindi तो हम लोग कहते हैं कि उसकी lawyer के साथ शादी हुई है या doctor के साथ शादी हुई है. But in English, साथ doesn't get translated with the word with. The correct sentence is, my friend Lalita has got married to a doctor. So the word with gets replaced with the word to. Moving on to the fourth sentence, again a very common mistake which is done. When we have to congratulate our friends on their anniversaries, we say, happy marriage anniversary. Again, you might think, what's wrong in that? Marriage to matlab shadi. Agreed. But when you're wishing somebody, it doesn't come as a marriage. Marriage is jab wo hota hai, jab wo ho raha hai. That is the marriage. The ceremony is the marriage. But two people have got locked in a wedding. So the correct English that comes here is, wish you a very happy wedding anniversary. So the word marriage gets replaced by the word wedding. Moving on to the next sentence. We usually say, have you seen the film Mimi? I think that's the latest of Kirti Sanon which has come. I didn't like it much. Anyway, that's besides the point. So, have you seen the film? आपको बहुत अच्छी लगी है and you are asking your friend, have you seen the film? It is not seen. To you it may seem correct, but it is not seen. Seen is like, let's say you are passing by the road and you saw somebody juggling with some balloons or with some balls. That is, when you're watching that, you're not exactly registering in your mind. You were not passing from the road to watch that balloon sailor, right? But here you are doing a deliberate action. You're going to register what you're going to watch. So it is always, have you watched the film Mimi? Or any movie of your choice. So the word here, seen, gets replaced by the word watch. Next sentence. Again, a very common error that is being done. And let me tell you guys, these are not only the errors which are done by the people who are learning English, but I've also seen people who speak fluent and good English. They are also the one who commits these kind of mistakes while they are conversing. So it's time we just pull up our socks and we correct ourselves. So the next sentence that we are coming off to is, I met Lalita 3 years before. किसी ने आपसे पूछ लिया कि भाई ललिता की कोई खबर है? And you are like, I met Lalita 3 years before. So you might be thinking, मैंने तो सही जवाब दे दिया इंग्लिश में. What's wrong in that? There is a mistake. The mistake is the word before. The mistake is the word before. If you have to say the sentence in English, then you have to say, I had met Lalita 3 years ago. And there you put an end to the sentence. But if you are using the word before, then you have to continue the sentence. Then complete it by saying, I had met Lalita 3 years before I proceeded to the United States. Yeah, I proceeded for Lucknow. So there the word before sets in. But if you are finishing your sentence, I had met Lalita 3 years before. No, that's incorrect. The correct sentence is, I had met Lalita 3 years ago. Or 3 years before I proceeded for my high studies. Or before I got married. Whatever. Again, a very common error we usually tend to make. Today morning I had 3 cups of green tea. तो इसमें गलती क्या है ना? आज सुबह मैंने 3 कप ग्रीन टी पी, right? It might seem right to you, but no, this is again an incorrect sentence. This morning I drank 3 cups of green tea. It is this morning. You are referring to today. Today's incident you are referring. So you don't have to say today morning. This morning I had 3 cups of green tea. The next sentence, I am giving my IELTS exam. हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं कि मैं इस बार मेरी IELTS एग्ज़ाम पर बैठ रही हूँ या बैठ रहा हूँ, या मैं मेरे बैंकिंग प्रोबेशनरी ऑफिसर्स एग्ज़ाम के लिए बैठ रहा हूँ, राइट? या मैं दे रहा हूँ, मेरा एग्ज़ाम्स दे रहा हूँ, मैं IELTS एग्ज़ाम दे रहा हूँ या देने वाला हूँ. सो देने वाला को वी आर कन्वर्टिंग इट इन गिविंग. So guys, there is a difference. Certain words have a direct translation, but when you try to make it or convert it into a sentence, it does not stand word to word translation. The correct sentence will be, this year I'll be sitting for my IELTS exams, or I'll be sitting for my probationary exams, banking probationary exams, or I shall be appearing for my IELTS exam. Okay. The next sentence, ये तो मैंने काफ़ी अच्छे लोगों को इंग्लिश जो बोलते हैं उन्हें भी मैंने ये गलती करते हुए सुना है. लाइक लेट्स से यू हैव गॉन टू अ पार्टी, आपका भाई आपके साथ है, आपका कजिन आपके साथ है. सो यू आर गेटिंग योर ब्रदर्स सिस्टर्स ऑल इंट्रोड्यूस टू योर फ्रेंड एंड यू एंड अप सेइंग, मीट शी इज़ माई रियल ब्रदर एंड शी इज़ माई कजिन सिस्टर. आप बोलना क्या चाह रहे हैं कि ये रियल है, ये फेक है? इज इट समथिंग लाइक दिस? इट डजंट हैपन्स दैट वे. व्हेन यू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश, नथिंग इज रियल, नथिंग इज फेक और नथिंग इज अदरवाइज. सो इफ यू हैव टू इंट्रोड्यूस, अगर आप बोलना चाह रहे हैं कि आपकी ये बायोलॉजिकल सिस्टर है या आपका बायोलॉजिकल ब्रदर है, देन द ओनली वे यू कैन इंट्रोड्यूस इज, शी इज़ माई यंगर ब्रदर और शी इज़ माई यंगर सिस्टर एंड मीट माई कजिन हरीश. You don't have to say cousin brother or cousin sister. Cousin is a cousin. ये मिस्टेक अक्सर अच्छे लोग कर जाते हैं. But guys, let me tell you one thing. ये सब छोटी चीज़ों की अगर हम गौर करेंगे and if we rectify ourselves, we will not only be able to leave a good impression in front of others, but at the same time, we will be ending up learning a proper and good English, which will enhance our confidence in our day-to-day life. And the last but not the least sentence is, I am 29 years old. Somebody asks you, how old are you? And you end up saying, I'm 29 years old. Now what's wrong in that? आप तो 29 साल के हैं, आपने तो सही बोला, I'm 29 years old. But no, it is not 29 years old. It's in plural. So you have to address yourself as, I am 29 years old. So add an S. Your year gets replaced by years. So that's the correct sentence. So whenever next time you're introducing your age to others, first of all, ladies, try not to disclose your age. But if you are disclosing your age, then say, I am 29 years old. That's the correct sentence. So guys, this is a wrap up, and through my experience, I found most of the people get these commonly used sentences wrong. I have brought out the mistakes. I hope you have taken a note of this, and next time you are not going to repeat these mistakes. And if you find anybody speaking wrong, then do correct them. So this is Neelam signing off here today. If you have liked the video, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, then go down and subscribe to my channel fast for such value added videos which will add value to your life and will help you in your day-to-day life. And don't forget to press the ting ting icon which will keep you updated about all my latest notifications. I'll be seeing you soon with my new content. Till then, aap khush rahiye and chust rahiye. I love you all. Abiyaz!